Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon credit card account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Amazon credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address amazon.syf.com like this and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the credit card page of the Amazon. Just wait for the page to load, and over here guys you can see it's the Amazon credit card page. And now in order to log into your Amazon credit card account from over here, you'll be required to enter your username with which you had registered an account on Amazon credit card, and after that enter your password. But if you have not yet created or registered an account on Amazon's credit card, you can always get the Amazon's credit card by clicking on the register or apply button available over here. If you click on the register or the apply button available over here, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can create an account on Amazon credit cards panel, and you will get a credit card related to Amazon. With that being said guys, after entering your user ID and password, but if you have forgotten your username, user ID or your password, you can simply retrieve or reset your user ID and password from the buttons available over here, which is the I forgot my user ID and password. If you click on these buttons, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your user ID or your password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and password, simply click on the secure login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Amazon credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.